Hey, this is how you change the main jets on a CB750 keyhole carburetor. You will need JIS screwdriver, 3mm Allen key if you have changed your hardware, flathead screwdriver, dental pick. First remove the float bowls. Watch out for the accelerator pump O-ring on carb number 2. Unscrew main jets. And replace with desired size. Tighten to a snug fit. For number 2 carburetor, remove accelerator pump sleeve and slide onto shaft. With a dental pick, work the sleeve down while pushing up and down on the float bowl until it seats. Then tighten down and replace the rest of the bowls.